For shelters, we're gonna be building simple debris shelters. You just have to have a good layer of insulation. I've been practicing these skills for about a decade, but I'll need a team of 10 people to start gathering. You guys are gonna build. It'll be better for morale.
We ended up with a kid's tent. Luckily, I'm only like 5'5".
With all the perks your team has, you think you'll beat the blue team?
Yeah,
Even though they're professionals.
we don't care. We're professionals in our own way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just doing what I've seen in the movies.
These people do this for fun.
How many nights are you guys staying?
All the nights. I can stay here till Christmas.
Until they tell us we have to leave.
Their hobby is suffering in the woods.
Good night.
And during the first night, it was very clear that the red team's advantage was making it easier for them. But the experts struggled to keep their eyes shut as the temperatures dropped drastically.
I'm so exhausted, I'm dehydrated, and wondering why I'm here.